back. If it's your first time, welcome to my channel. I'm Kim. It's really nice to have you here and I appreciate you guys being here. So I'm gonna do another ring pour today. I did one last week and I, again, have a lot of paints that kind of need to be used up. So I've decided I'm gonna do metallics and black and see how that turns out. So let's get to it. So I'm using black from Artist Loft. Then I have metallic bronze, also from Artist Loft. This is metallic gold. It's a little different from the 24 karat gold. And this is metallic silver, which also it's different than the sterling silver that I have from DecoArt. And this is copper. That is Master's Touch and it's already pre-mixed. Then I have this metallic gunmetal black. And so I'm gonna do this as a ring pour. And I'm going to use the black and the gunmetal kind of in between the metallic layers. Everything is mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, with the exception of that gunmetal, which is probably like a 1-to-1 because it is very thin. So I'm going to go ahead and just, I'm doing 2 cups. I know I need 6 ounces, so I'm doing probably over that. These are 2 5-ounce cups. And my plan is to actually, instead of doing 2 ring pours on the canvas, I'm actually going to pour one and pour the other one on top of it. And well, let's just see how this works out.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
So this is a 12 by 12 square canvas. Oh, I'm sorry, no it's not. It's an 11 by 14. I'm not thinking clearly. And like I said, I'm going to pour one set of ring on top of the other. And this is a canvas. I had already painted over it and I didn't like it, so I scraped it. And so I'm going to reuse it. I've sprayed the back to tighten it up. You know, sometimes when you're painting over another canvas that's already been painted on, it starts to droop in the middle because it's heavy. So I really like this. There's a lot of copper, and I think probably because the copper might be a little more thin than the others, but I love that copper, the Premixed by Master's Touch. It's really a really pretty color. And then I'm going to take some scraped paints that I have and use those as some flow extender. I'm going to use what's in these cups and kind of what's dripped to get the corners, because sometimes it's really hard to get those corners covered. And there's still a little bit left in these cups. And then we're going to tilt it. And as you can see, it's starting to flow off the back of that canvas. I'll tell you why. My house is not level, as I have come to discover every time I open the dishwasher and the drawer slides out on its own. I have leveled the table, I have leveled the tripod, everything. My house isn't level, and that paint running towards the back that you guys see, that is exactly where the direction that my house does slant. And it is not an old house. Sadly, it is one of the better made houses in the neighborhood, so that should tell you something. So I'm going to get to tilting, and I'll be back with you when it's done. Alright guys, I love the colors in this, but I'm not sure how I feel about the composition. I'm gonna let it dry and see. Alright guys, I'm back. This one is done. It is dry. Not that crazy about it. I thought I would be. There's a lot of copper in there, which I don't mind. But I'm not sure I like how it worked with the rest. And I ended up with like something getting in the painting over here. I'm not sure if it was an air bubble or a bug. And then I got some weird pitting that sometimes happens when I do metallics. I'm not sure why, but hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see the pitting? I don't know, it's not the best angle, but so yeah, this one might be a toss. I don't think this is gonna be one that I keep. Not liking it. And you know, since I had already painted over this canvas one other time, this may just have to become a practice canvas for now. I hate wasting canvas, but if the painting's bad, you can only pour over it so many times, especially when, you know, there's like bubbles and clumps. That doesn't, it just doesn't seem to work out the next time either. So anyways, well, they can't all be perfect. They can't all be keepers. Just like, you know, boyfriends and girlfriends. Anyways, if you like the video, click the like, the subscribe, leave me a comment, and keep coming back. See you next time.